Guys, I think is we're gonna focus on for the okay vertical, not horizontal. Okay, because if we gonna do it, you know, the horizontal, okay, it's so fucking weird. And then yeah, and then we're gonna do the square method for a while. Okay, how to call the girlfriend. This one, make now the origami. And then the materials only we're gonna use is that this pink color paper and then the ball pen, black or blue. It's up to you. Okay, and we're gonna do now this. It's kind of a little tricky right here, and then after that, the next is this. This kind of one. This guys. After this, it will become like this. Okay.